let's start with right hand as we place our finger 3 on B. The time signature of this song 3/4. So for every bar we have only 3 counts of crotchet. So we're gonna have B, ho ho, finger 5 D, ho ho, finger 1 G, ho ho, and then finger 3 B, ho ho, and then we're gonna have A B A, rest rest, and on the last beat we activate our finger 5 on D, and then we're gonna go back to A B A, and then we have a bar of rest. Okay, let's try one more time. Ready, 1 2 go. B, rest 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 rest. A B A, rest rest. D A B A, rest rest rest. Pretty straightforward. For our left hand, we're gonna place in a G chord position where we have our finger 5 on G, finger 3 on B, finger and thumb, finger 1 on D. We are gonna have this pattern 5 3 and 1 for a total of 4 bars. So let's start. 5 3 1 5 3 1 5 3 1 5 3 1. 1 bar of rest, and then we're gonna activate our thumb. Hold, rest. 1 bar of rest, rest rest rest, and then we'll go back to thumb again. Hold hold. Now let's combine together. We're gonna put our finger 3 and finger 5, okay, on the keyboard. For our first 4 bars, my left hand and right hand comes in on the first beat. So let's go. 1 2 go. 3 and 5, 5 and 5, 1 and 5, 3 and 5. Continue. A B A, thumb, rest. D A B A, thumb, hold hold. Now let's play it smoothly. 1 2 go. Now from bar 9 to 16, we're going to remain in the same position where we repeat the first 4 bars. So bar 1 to 4 is the same as bar 9 to 12. So let's play it together, both hands first. 5 and 5, 1 and 5, and 3 and 5. As we continue our right hand, A, B, A, thumb again. So pretty straightforward. Now instead of going back D, A, B, A, we're going to activate finger 2 to A. And then we're going to end off at bar 16 with our thumb on our right hand and our finger 3 and 5, G and B on our left hand. So it's a G on right hand, G and B on left hand as we play together. And you are done with the first 16 bars of the song. Let's play from bar 1 to 16. 1 2 go. Let's move on to bar 17 to 24 where we have a new hand position for both hands. Let's start with our right hand first. We're going to shift our finger 2 to middle C. Take note, for the first beat of bar 17, 18, 19 and 20 is a rest. So we're going to go rest, C and E, rest, C and E, rest, C and E, rest, C and E. Then we're going to go rest, rest and activate our finger 1 and 5, 1 on B, 5 on F. So you're going to have a rest, rest, and a chord, rest, rest, chord, rest, rest, chord. That's rest, rest, chord. Total 4 times for B and F. From left hand, the previous position was in G position. Now we're going to have our finger 4 on E. Dotted minim, ho, ho, G, ho, ho, A, ho, ho, G, ho, ho. And then we have 2 counts for finger 5 on D. 1, hold, activate finger 4 up, straight away going up to finger 2 on G, and then go back to finger 4 again, and go back D again, hold, 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 hold. Now we're going to combine our hands together. Ready? We have our left, right, right. Finger 2, finger 1 left hand, finger 2 left hand. Get ready your chord. 5 and so we activate 1 and 5 together with our finger 4, E. Yeah, it sounds a little bit wrong, but no, it's actually not wrong. And then we have our finger 2 on G, and then we have a dissonant chord again, and then finger 5 and chord 1, rest, chord. Now we're gonna join them together. 1, 2, go. Let's move on to bar 25 to 32, where we stick on to the same position. Our right hand is a rest, C and E, rest, C and E, rest, C and E, rest, C and E. Rest, rest, you're going to give me a B and a F again. Rest, rest, B and F again. 1 bar of rest, rest, rest. And then we're going to end the song, end this bar with a finger 2 and 4 on C and E. Yeah. For our left hand, we had our finger 4, so same thing, finger 4, hold G, finger 2, hold, finger 1, A, hold G, finger 2, hold. But this time round, we're going to stretch our finger 4 previously on E. We're going to move down to D. So we have a D, hold, 1 step up to E, go back to D again, activate your thumb on G, and then finger 5, hold, tie, hold. Okay, so let's join them together. So previous position, we have a finger 4 on E and finger 2 on C. So we have a left, right, right, left, right, right. Finger 4 on E, finger 2, left hand finger 1, left hand finger 2. Shift down, finger 4, and chord on finger 3. Go back to 4, chord on finger 1, and end on finger 5, and get ready your chord. Let's play smoothly. 1, 2, go. Let's move on to the last 2 parts of the song, where bar 33 to bar 46 is actually a repetition for the first 2 lines of this song. So we have a as per normal as the beginning, A B A thumb, D A B A thumb, just like the beginning. Finger 5 and 5, finger 1 and 5, finger 3 and 5. A, B, A, thumb. And now from 47, we're going to have your thumb on G, which is already there. Now we're going to activate your G chord in arpeggios, broken chord, G, B, D. And your thumb is at the original position, D. Now I'm going to move your whole hand down 1 octave. Right hand first, G, B, D. Left hand activate thumb. And then to end off, we're going to have our finger 5 on G, 2, 3, hold, 2, rest. And we're going to get ready our last chord, where our left hand goes back to the first position, G and D. Okay, but for our right hand, we're going to move slightly higher, where our thumb is on B. And you're going to give a little stretch where your finger 5 sits on G. Okay, so it's a 6 away, so stretch a little bit, not too far. G, B and G, and then we end our end chord. Left hand G, D, right hand B, G. Let's play it together. 1, 2, go. End. Let's play the song from the start slowly. 1, 2, 3, and we go. I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.